Disneyland looks different than I remember.
This is Disneyland for me, I'm sorry. This is my Disneyland.
That's
My
sad.
Disneyland.
There's a lot of really negative.
You can pretend to like have
It's just a giant warehouse.
Well, welcome to this. What is your dream apartment?
Welcome to my humble abode. So this is our very extensive fridge. This is my
That's a
fridge,
fridge, yes.
apparently.
That's a fridge.
I gotta be honest, for a fridge like that, that's
Only
not
$2,000.
only
Ow.
$2,000.
Only $2,000.
Do that, giant bag.
Don't.
That's a going to take. Plastic ones.
That's not even a fucking bag. That's an apron.
No, that's an apron. That's a bag.
Oh, you're a bag
I'm a bag.
and a half.
Oh shit! I got roasted for myself.
No, that's not a roast. That was a compliment. Oh shit, she's decorating our apartment.
I like it.
This is my couch.
Oh, I like this actually. This.
Oh my.
This right here looks pretty nice.
Oh shit. Daniel, hold this.
This is our dog. We have 2 dogs actually.
lay down on the couch.
And a panda.
That way. Do you think that you are the way that you are because the way your mother treated you as a child?
She abused me.
Oh.
Physically and mentally.
How does that make you feel?
Sad as fuck.
Fridge.
Ew. Stay down.
Oh god. Security.
I'm smaller.
Give me therapy.
This isn't Swedish.
Hold this.
Okay.
Give me therapy.
Me? No, you guys.
No. Is your mother being very, very drunk, very alcoholic, and your father?
No, but yours is hot.
My mother, actually, she's a Christian, and she'll throw a Bible.
I'm into that.
You're into the Christianity.
Ew.
Religious nut.
So Christianity makes you nut.
Heidi, give Daniel therapy.
So, doctor, I like trans people, and I want to fuck them in the ass really hard.
Oh.
This is out of my expertise. I think you can
Wait, is that $53 or is that 53,000
No, $53.
for just this?
Holy
Cheap.
shit. There's actual cookies in here, guys.
Is
I
there?
think we should open them.
Yeah, but even if there are real cookies in there, they're probably like 90 years old.
Fine.
Actually, I like the lighting in here.
Dark.
The lighting.
Stools.
Stan BTS.
Fuck you.
Hang on, what's on here?
Mickey,
I don't know what any of that means.
make a bouquet.
Ooh, flowers.
People said to make a triangle of flowers. Is that gonna happen? Mickey, he's being gay right now. He's having a gay moment.
He's always gay.
He's having a gay moment. We need more men. Oh yeah, right there.
Okay.
We're so gay.
Bro, casually giving flowers to my wife.
No, we're making a bouquet.
Oh, we're getting married?
Yeah. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I bless you thee as as husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Oh.
You break
There
out
you
in a
go.
Fortnite dance. You weirdo.
That's good.
Yeah, that's okay. Cool.
Now Daniel and I, let's get married.
Yeah.
Oh.
You may now kiss. You're like fully spit into his mouth.
Now I'm gonna punch my. Oh, I like this.
That's a fucking vibe.
What is?
This room.
No, it is a vibe for real.
Xbox right there.
This is a good recording studio. We should have done that. Oh, I guess I'm doing it right now. This TV is 42 inches.
Dr. Doc,
Dr. Doc?
You just
Yeah.
turn around like petting a cat. You're just like,
Like Dr. Evil?
you're just like, I've been expecting you.
I was expecting you, and I have this beat.
Hang on, do you think people are throwing stuff away in here?
Yeah.
Yep.
Damn, they open up. I can't reach what's inside if they open.
Should I like all the Dragon Ball figures in here?
Yes!
Let's
That'd be so cool.
turn it over.
Look, and then you pour them tea. That's like.
I'm so stoked for Battle Hour.
Pour them poison tea.
You guys have more stuff for battle over.
Well, that's because you're worried about conventions.
I like this one.
Dude,
This
wait,
one's
what is that kitchen?
Oh, that looks cool.
Nice. Oh, that's the lighting. Mustard. What time is it?
It is 11.
We should probably go soon.
Okay.
Do do do. Hang on, look at the window. Do 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 do.
For 24 months, your total payment.
Woo! $930 a month. Yeah, I'll get right on that. What do you think, sir?
Text my girlfriend. The mother of my child.
Oh God,
Oh, no.
I don't even know if I got that.
I wanted to get my bike from here.
A lot of these look very similar.
I like this.
Don't come into
Hey,
the
look, you
bathroom.
could have,
Oh, it looks like your head.
Ah, finally. Dude, they nailed down the toilet so you don't take a massive duke.
After all the incidents. Hey, I'm gonna drink my water or this.
That's for.
It fits perfectly in your hands.
How many versions of AIDS do you think people get from laying on that bed?
Good job.
Why isn't there a scar?
It's a weird skirt.
That's actually a nice scarf.
Yeah, it is a nice skirt. It's a clothing club.
I would never have a room like this. It is so cramped. The wall TV is interesting.
What is this?
Batteries not included.
What is this?
Good. For what? What kind of stuff are you doing?
Check it out. Hi, I'm baking
This is a cramped ass kitchen.
Yeah, I love this stuff. I'm baking a 10-pound pie.
Can I hit you in the head with this?
When you fight someone, just grab the microwave.
That's like a John Wick fight.
Yeah.
Where'd Heidi go? Is she?
He's right here.
Oh, I thought you were literally under the blanket. I'm sure Daniel knows where it is.
You want to
Mr.
go back
Disney.
the way we went? Or you want to go?
I wanted to find stuff. But maybe we should leave. But yeah, there's like no way out.
Ikea's smaller than I remember.
Oh yeah, arrows. We gotta follow the end with our It's a futon?
Futon.
Futon.
That is ugly.
Yeah, that's really ugly. We should buy a couch here. No, we'd have a couch.
It's like your cat likes to fuck with.
He wouldn't fuck with the Swedish stuff because the Swedish police will come here and
'Cause he's German?
Yeah, because he's German.
Hate to break it to you.
Our cat is German. Oh, those cups aren't spilling.
Whoa. Dude, I always need more of those fucking things. The iPad kid found an iPad.
Oh. Oh. They're
Yeah.
stealing the pencils.
Is that really $20? Is this cabinet really just $20?
Yeah, for this one.
I know, but is it like the whole thing?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Cabinet.
It's $20.
Each.
Oh, wow. What's it? 140.
No, they're connected.
Oh, yeah, wait, no.
Alright, let's find the stuffed animals and get the heck out of here.
Okay.
That's not a bad bookcase for $70.
I don't think we'll be able to find the stuffed animals.
Look at that bookcase for $70.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Someone was selling
Do
something
you
like
just want
that.
to go?
It's up to you, man.
I don't know.
You said you want to find the stuffed animals, which
Yeah,
I
but I
didn't
don't-
know they had.
I don't know. We'll find them.
He just found them, apparently.
Oh, you did? Oh.
Oh, yep. Oh, Jesus. What is that?
Okay. He's just a pig. He's
What
just
is it?
a pig.
Do you want a lion?
Yes.
Get a lion.
Let's borrow a bat.
They're 99 cents. Can you play online?
I'm gonna s-
Remember that video showing?
Yes.
Nikki, like we do to you. Just like the. Oh. Oh God. Oh God. Oh more.
Oh, that's cool. Why are these $13?
Can they be buddies?
I guess.
I'm here to tell you about life.
Oh,
Nice to meet you. I am Brownie Dinosaur.
brownie?
Brownie. It
feels racist.
This is me.
Oh. Oh.
Can they be buddies?
There already are.
They're buddies.
Damn, that's a slip our little snack.
Look at this dude. Marcelo would love
Oh
him.
shit.
Boom, boom, boom. Oh, sick. I didn't know that you could do that.
Hi.
I don't want to eat the apple. I'm good. Mickey's trying to make me eat an
You
apple.
really weird.
Wait, no, hang on.
Look
Let
like
me
you.
get the puppet action.
No.
Here, let me do it.
He just dies. Boom, boom.
You're tight.
But God said the apple will kill me. No,
No, literally that meme.
No.
it won't.
No.
Dude, that guy? That guy?
Yeah.
Cringe.
Yeah, cringe, man. That guy's fucking cringe.
Bro's trying to lead you down the path of righteousness. I'll lead you down the path that
Mickey, we have a
rocks.
baby. We can get a crib here.
Honey, you could fit in this.
Huh?
This is a crib for you.
I'm not gonna attempt to do that.
Do it.
No.
Do it. Do it.
No.
He's trying to get me kicked out of here.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I'll do it.
You cannot.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
No.
I'm doing it. I'm not going to do it. What?
That's like 14 bucks.
Yeah, I should get that.
These are like baby bathtubs.
Yeah, I'll kill him.
That's true. You have a son.
Yeah, can't believe it. I was son of 21.
We should come here for a baby.
Oh God.
I beat you to it.
I am pregnant.
What? She's not. Don't joke around like that.
Did I beat you to it?
It's not funny.
Is
Oh, we
this
should get
funny?
these two.
Yeah, you already won. How do you feel? Like a winner? Oh, this is where you get like the meatballs and shit.
Look at this vibe.
I'm not-
We should get married.
Dude,
We should get married here.
in Ikea. I'm gonna be real, I would have some meatballs and shit if I didn't already eat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too, for real. We should have saved it, but I
Alright.
didn't know we were coming here.
You cannot get all three of these.
So I have to choose one.
Yes.
Either these two or that.
Yes.
I'm kind of deciding on this little dude.
You're just gonna send that to Marcella.
No, I'm keeping that buddy for myself. Do you see him?
That
He's fucking
buckaroo?
cute. Well, these are just gonna go on display.
How much is it?
This is Marvin and
He's
Martian.
$6.
6?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, you can have them.
Let's go borrow a shopping bag, guys. Let's borrow a shopping bag. What?
Oh God. Let's try not to spend money.
Too bad.
Guys, let's borrow.
This is our battle hour.
Literally. Ikea hour.
Ikea hour.
Seriously though, we gotta go soon.
Okay, fine.
No, you can look. It's just hangers and bottles though. It's nothing good.
There's towels.
Woo!
There's Tupperware hanging from the wall.
This is what we need in our house. Food doesn't go all over the place.
So, where do we go check out?
Oh, I don't know.
Downstairs.
Downstairs? Let's take
There's
the
just more bathrooms.
Downstairs.
There's a family bathroom. Hold this while I go take a massive shit.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Massive shit.
You can pause it if you want.